Here's a closer view of the trees that have to be cut down, and obviously you can see why. I've let this go for a long time. Pretty close to the house, what do you think? It goes way up there. And we have one over here. Again, base is pretty rotten. It's getting worse. Again, this is reaches over the top of the house there a little bit. So that's the number 2. And then as we go along here, that's only, 15 feet from the house. This baby here, big hole in there. Who's hiding in there? I don't know. You can see this guy. He goes way up there. Oh, boy. And this baby here, who Mr. Wiggly, goes way up. And we've been cutting branches off this one over the years. As you can see here, there were some branches going out over the driveway. We've cut those a couple times. And one up there. So we're going to get these 4 down. They're marked so the association can come over and tell us we're okay to take those down. So, told you the price. We got a price from a fellow right around the corner we've known for a long time, $1,000. So that's a really good price. So $1,000 cash, and it'll get done.